So fear is something that affects every one of us, you know, young, old, whatever. We all deal with some level of fear when we're trying to reach some level of emotional stability or financial success, whatever it is. Even if it's to, you know, developing our full potential, fear stands in the way of a lot of things that we try to do in, you know, out here. You know, you can have the education, you can have everything, but with fear comes into your life and destroy everything you want. So learning how to defeat your fear is the hardest part, and it's going to be the most difficult task that you ever have to deal with in your life. But you have to push through, you have to persevere and move to the next level in order to beat your fear. Your fear is going to tell you you're not good enough, you're not strong enough, you're not fast enough to be in the position that you're in, that you're nobody, you can't make it. It's going to tell you everything it needs to do to keep you safe in that little box and to keep you from achieving your success and having a great life. If you let fear come into your life, fear is like a disease. Once you let it into your body, it makes you sick and you can't function, it freezes you and paralyzes you. In order to overcome that fear, you must believe from within that you can do it, and never let fear tell you that you can't do it, because you're the greatest enemy that you'll ever have. You don't let fear consume and control your life. Don't let it take you under. You have to face it, beat it, destroy it, beat it, whatever you have to do, because it isn't real. It's all in your head. There's nothing to fear but fear itself.